Hello, I'm Herbert Pan, the president of iHealth Innovation Tech. We are currently facing a serious global health crisis. More than ever, it is important that we stay informed and be prepared to protect our loved ones. At iHealth Innovation Tech, we believe everyone should enjoy a healthy life, and we are committed to bring cutting-edge health technologies that deliver positive results. In that quest, we have formed a strategic alliance with a globally renowned medical scientist, Dr. Narain Naidu. Dr. Naidu's 4 decades expertise in medical research and natural microbial blocking agents is invaluable. His discovery of 2 diseases, non-menstrual toxic shock syndrome and hemolytic uremic syndrome. Dr. Naidu has published over 100 peer-reviewed scientific articles, authored 7 medical textbooks, and invented over 25 US patents in various healthcare applications. He has served as an officer at the WHO, an advisor to multiple governments on food safety, and elected fellow for several professional organizations, and a professor at a university in Europe and the US. He is currently the Director General of the GlobalNutrition Healthcare Council, Mission COVID. Let's warmly, proudly introduce Dr. Narain Naidu to iHealth family.
Thank you, Edwin.
And Dr. Naidu to our family.
Thank you, Herbert.
Thank you.